Hey there, YouTubers. So today I have to replace my door lock. You see right here, the, uh, the the door lock there is the rod. I got them together because my switch broke. Let me show you. So I bought this. Yeah, see right there. So there's the actuator right there, which is this one right here. And then I got the actual lock, which is right here, that actually locks the door, and the actuator rod right there. And as you can see, I used a pin to keep it together. If you see, when I push the button, of course you got it locked, and that's how I've been going to work. Yeah, just like that. So I went to Amazon. We could get them on Amazon. And I'm gonna show you what I gotta do here. So I'm gonna take this and replace it. Yeah, and replace it. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Put this on there. So basically, it's a little thing. Show you right here. So right here, it's gonna go right there. So you're gonna take take a screwdriver, pop that out, and then this slides right out. Because you look on here, it's got, yeah, right there. You can see it right there. Get a better look at it. It's got the little two hooks right there. So, well, I guess it slides in, and then it goes right in there to here, and then that should do it. Yeah, but you can see where my lock broke. Of course, this one here has the new lock on it. Yeah, right there. And you can see where the pin goes in right here. Let me show you. And back here, you can see where the pin goes. And the pin goes right in that hole for the actuator right there. For that actuator. And then there's the other pin, which goes in the back. So it should be a pretty simple quick fix. And then I bought, of course, this thing here, the knob for my window. Yeah, some of you might have one of these. And the problem with this is when I took off the panel, it actually snapped. Because it's actually just a pin that goes right here. And you can see where where the pin goes right in there. Yeah, the pin goes in there, and obviously it broke. Yeah, it actually broke. And the pin looks something like, I can show you. The pin looks something like this. It's one of those, which goes right there. So after you put the knob on, just put it in there like that. Yeah, goes in there like that. Of course, this for there. Hook it up there. Hook up the connecting wires in there. You know. Yeah, it should do the trick. So I paid about so it's like 13 bucks for a pair. You could get these on Amazon, 13 bucks for a pair. And the knob for the window, this ran me 6 bucks. So yeah, around 20 bucks. You could do it yourself. I figured I was gonna pay, if I pay a mechanic, we're probably looking at, I don't know, 100 bucks. do it myself, save a lot of money. So there you go. Hope that helps somebody that wants to, you know, do-it-yourselfers. You know, just put on the this panel back when I get ready here. Just stick this panel back on there. It goes on there like so. Stick it on there and put it all back. It's pretty simple. Stick that back on there, and then of course you got the little, you know, little door there. Goes right here. It goes on there like this, right here. Goes on there like that, and this goes on here like this, something like that. Then you got that back on there. This goes on here for the door handle for the window. Yeah, that's how it looks like that. So it should be a pretty simple fix. So I hope that has a 2007 Toyota Corolla, and slap that back on. It should be good to go. All right, take care.